Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a single player world into a multiplayer server in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, open your single player world and press pause, then open to LAN, then start LAN world, and this allows your world to be hosted locally. To let friends from other network join, we'll use playit.gg. Open your browser and go to playit.gg, then download the Windows installer, then open your downloads folder and run it. Follow the setup wizard to install playit.gg and click the visit link to open it in your browser and create an account if you don't have one and sign in. Now click create tunnel and select the free region, then choose Minecraft Java and tap add tunnel, then wait for it to start running. You'll see URL and IP plus port. Then share this with your friends and they can join your single player world through multiplayer, then add server in the Minecraft. If you want to stop hosting, simply quit the world and close playit.gg. A better long-term solution is using Apex hosting where your server runs 24/7 without needing your computer on. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.